2020, undergraduates from the University of Wyoming worked with students from Excel Academy in Casper on a high-altitude balloon project. Their project focused on cell phones, electromagnetic waves, and circuits. The primary goal of this project was to try to find out how high in the atmosphere you can receive a cell phone signal. To do this, we designed a balloon payload equipped with a very simple device, a passive cellular receiver that detects the strength of signals coming from cell towers. After more than 2 hours in the air, our payload landed in an open field in far western Nebraska, more than 100 miles from where it was launched. Strong northerly winds continued to drag the payload along the ground for more than 1,000 feet before it eventually settled at its final resting spot, awaiting our retrieval. The next morning, the landowners were kind enough to provide us with access to their property, allowing us to recover the payload after a short hike. After analyzing our data, we found that the cellular signals weakened significantly, about 10 to 15,000 feet above the ground. So a few weeks later, we met with the students from Excel Academy one last time to discuss our findings and to talk about everything we had all learned during this great experience.